Hello everybody and welcome to this new video. Today I want to start Nissan Primera p10 1.6 liter engine. So we have a problem with this Nissan engine, the GA16DS engine, carbureted engine. We have a little trouble because when you cold start the engine, is when the engine is cold. When you start the engine, it's not start, and you give a lot of gas pedal, and his smoke blue at the back, and we have a problem of the choke and cold starting problem. So we fixed this cold starting problem with changing a choke pull off mechanism. That's a little valve, you know, that it's a round valve in the carburetor. We have it's a leak, and it's just broken, and we have repaired this, and we're gonna to show you. You see that here the indicator of the temperature is down. You have the cold start, and we are gonna to check if the engine is start without giving the gas pedal. Okay, so the engine start, but his needs a little help. Guys, you can see the engine start perfectly at cold. I do not give the rest pedal. Just so I'm going to show you the engine. So this is the engine, and you can see we have not really race problem, and you have repaired this transmission oil circuit because we have a little leak here, and you can see the engine is running perfectly, not problem, not stalls. The engine is not stalled, it's not turn off. You can give race, and you can see the engine is running normal. And at the back is not giving too much smoke. If you remember in old video, the Nissan give a lot of smoke. So that's good. So the car running perfectly now. So we can turn off the engine. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want a solution how to repair this cold starting problem of carburetor, I make a little explanation. I give you the explanation. Thank you.